Inga Matulytė.
Inga
Pristatyti
Matulytė.
savo projektą Fruleba. Kąsnelis sveikos energijos.
Hello, I would like to introduce Fruleba. Did you know that a third of food produced in the world are thrown away? And mostly it's vegetable and fruits that are thrown away.
Fruleba is fructus, legumos, and bacta combination, a combination of 3 Latin words. It's a snack made of fruit, berries, and vegetables. It's made of pulp and it's full of vitamins, fibers, and antioxidants. The market research shows that in the next 6 years, the market of healthy snacks will grow by 7.5%, and the market of environmentally friendly products will also grow. So Fruleba reflects all these markets. It's a healthy and environmentally friendly snack. It has a lot of fibers in it. It's suitable for various age groups. There are no additive sugars or sweeteners in it. It has no allergens, and it's handmade. Markets are big. We have competitors, but I would like to point out that this product stands out in the market with its high vegetable content, and it's also a sustainable product because of the pulp that is used in this product. What is the effect of this product? It will have a social effect for healthier communities by increasing awareness of sustainability. It will also have environmental effect by reducing waste, recovery of valuable raw materials, and it will also have economic effect by generating additional income for local farmers and producers. My strategy is it's a healthy and tasty snack. It's sustainable because of the pulp that is used in it. It's handmade, and all the communication about the product will be used on social media because we want to be closer to our clients, and I will also sell this product in various fairs. EWA funding would contribute to purchasing various equipment, and that will help increase my volumes of production. What are the marketing steps, communication online, and attracting new investments? I would like to thank our mentor Yelena and all Kaunas Grūdai team that contributed to this project. So it's a bite of a healthy energy. Fruleba.
Viskas, kaip suprantu, ačiū už prezentaciją.
Thank you very much for your presentation.
3 minutės.
Jury, you have 3 minutes. Why I should buy it? Why should I buy it? What makes it special? Why should I take it, grab it from the shelf? Well, this bar, it has a lot of fibers, and since there are a lot of processed foods in stores, we don't get enough fibers. But my question was, why I should? Well, because it's healthy, it's tasty, and it's sustainable.
Kiek kilogramų pagaminti reikia elektros?
What is the amount of electricity needed to produce? Because you need to dry it. No, well, you have to produce separate parts. So, how much electricity to produce 1 kilogram of your product? I can't answer this question right now.
Jūs užprogramavot neturėti augimo, nes tai produktas
You programmed not to have any growth because you said that it's a handmade. There will be no growth. Well, right now it's a handmade, but as I've mentioned, investments would help us
nebebūtų privalumas ir čia kolegos.
But then we would use equipment. But then handmade will not be your asset anymore. It will might be a bit,
darbo rankomis tas veikumas didėja?
but we're talking about
Gerai,
healthiness.
nes rankų
If it's
darbas, tai
made by
reiškia mažiau,
hands,
brangiau
does it mean that it's
ir
going to be
taip.
healthier? Probably not. So we will begin with handmade products,
Gerai.
and then we will continue with equipment-made products.
Kaip užtikrintumėt žaliavų tiekimą ir iš kur?
Supply of the ingredients, how you would ensure that? Well, since we use the pulp of vegetables and fruit and berries, so during the season, we will take all that pulp from juice producers.
Su sanitarinius, higieninius reikalavimus
What about
išpildyti?
sanitary and hygiene requirements? How you're planning to meet all these criteria and requirements? Since right now it's only handmade, I process the raw materials myself, and in the next stage, we will solve the problem of using big amounts of pulp.
Dar klausimų komisija?
Any more questions?
Kur panaudosit prizą, jeigu gausit?
Where will you use the price if you get it? Well, I showed you 4 types of equipment, so I will purchase one of them that will facilitate the process of
Jūs minėjot,
production.
kad dabar pradžioje gaminat rankų darbų. Tai ar jūs
Well,
pati
you said
gaminat,
right
ar jūs
now
turit
you
kažkokią
do it
komandą,
by
kuri
hand. So
padeda?
do it yourself? Yes, I do it myself.
Ačiū, Inga.
Thank you,
Ačiū už
Inga,
pristatymą, paplokim.
for the presentation. Let's give a round of applause.